Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best narrow neck bottle brush is probably one of the most frustrating cleaning chores, especially when dealing with oddly shaped bottles or those hard to reach corners. But, with the right tools, cleaning those bottles can be a breeze. Today, we will review the best narrow neck bottle brushes on the market, comparing their features, cleaning effectiveness, durability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect brush for your needs. Number 5. Holikme Bottle Cleaning Set. This comprehensive set makes cleaning bottles of all shapes and sizes a breeze. It includes brushes for every need, from narrow necks to wide mouths. The 16-inch brush with extra-wide bristles easily reaches the bottom of even the longest, narrowest bottles. Say goodbye to stubborn residue. The 10-inch sponge brush is perfect for delicate decanters and wide-mouth bottles. Its soft material won't scratch your glassware. The 14-inch sports bottle brush tackles tough stains with its firm bristles. It's ideal for coffee cups, tea stains, and more. This set also includes smaller brushes for cleaning spouts, straws, and other hard-to-reach areas. They're all made of food-grade material. Each brush features a hanging hole for convenient storage and drying. Keep your cleaning supplies organized and ready to use. What we like? This set boasts an array of brushes to tackle various cleaning needs. The long handles make cleaning even hard-to-reach bottles a breeze. Plus, you can easily hang them up for drying and storage, keeping your kitchen organized. If you need a versatile cleaning solution for different bottle types and sizes, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Holikme bottle brushes are great for cleaning baby bottles and our water bottles. I especially like the thin long brushes to get rid of the bacterial material that builds up in the straws. One of the best purchases I've made for my kitchen, LOL. It comes with a lot of different brushes and they all work extremely well. Even bottles that have a tiny top are able to be cleaned. Quality of brushes is good. I've had them for over 6 months with weekly use and they're still in great shape. They don't scratch the bottles and they come in different sizes. The long handle on the main bottle brush is sturdy yet flexible, allowing me to reach into tall, narrow-necked bottles like my beer and wine bottles with ease. The bristles are firm enough to scrub effectively but soft enough not to scratch the glass or plastic. The brushes are well made and seem durable, as they haven't lost their shape or effectiveness after several uses. Number 4. Turbo Microfiber Bottle Brush Set. This versatile cleaning kit makes cleaning your bottles a breeze. It's got everything you need to keep your bottles sparkling clean. The set includes brushes of various sizes, perfect for baby bottles, water bottles, tumblers, and more. No more struggling to reach those hard-to-clean spots. Each brush is made with sturdy materials, including a durable handle and stiff nylon bristles. They're also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. It's compatible with a wide variety of bottles, from Hydro Flask to Yeti. No matter what brand you use, it will get the job done. Use it to clean wine decanters, vases, and even your kitchen sink. It's incredibly versatile and will become your go-to cleaning tool. We're confident you'll love this set. If you have any questions, our team is here to help. What we like? This set is built to last with sturdy handles and durable bristles. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. It works perfectly with a wide range of bottles, making it a practical choice for any home. If you're looking for a long-lasting, versatile bottle cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. I love all the sizes and the brushes are nice and firm. They do a good job cleaning. They seem durable. I recycle a lot of bottles for reuse or otherwise have quirky shaped dishes. This pack of brushes gave me a lot of options to tackle the problem of cleaning these things. They reach and bend just about anywhere. In tight metal straws and weird jug handles. There's a brush in this pack for any need. It makes cleaning cups a breeze. Although I use these brushes to a punishing degree, the bristles still hold up. They are thick and do not wilt in hot water. Product is exactly how shown. Works great. Tumblers and straws are easier to clean. Number 3. Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. This comprehensive set tackles even the toughest cleaning jobs. It includes brushes of various sizes and shapes to reach every nook and cranny. With its extra long handles, it effortlessly cleans tall bottles and narrow necks. No more struggling to scrub hard-to-reach areas. From beer bottles and sports water bottles to tea kettles and vases, it's versatile enough for all your cleaning needs. It's perfect for various shapes and sizes. Made from BPA-free, food-grade polypropylene, it's safe for cleaning items that come into contact with food and drinks. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's safe for your family. Each brush features a convenient hook for easy hanging, ensuring quick drying and efficient storage. Keep your brushes organized and ready for use. This set makes a thoughtful and practical gift for any home cook or cleaning enthusiast. It's a valuable addition to any kitchen. What we like? This pack offers a variety of brushes for different cleaning tasks. Made from BPA-free materials, it's safe for your family. The brushes are easy to clean and store, making them a convenient choice for your kitchen. If you prioritize safety and convenience in your cleaning routine, this set is ideal for you. What people say. Brushes are sturdy, easy to handle, and the variety of sizes make it easy to get all the areas one or two of them may not. The bristles are sturdy yet gentle, making it easy to clean every corner of the bottle without scratching. The handle has a comfortable grip, and the built-in nipple cleaner is a great bonus. It works well with all bottle types and rinses clean without holding odors. The brushes are nice and long, 13.57 and 16 lengths to get the taller bottles, and getting additional smaller brushes was an added bonus. No sponge tip on these brushes, but I don't miss it. The bristles on these brushes clean better and I'm sure will last longer than the sponge one did. Number 2. ALINK 5-pack bottle brush set. This comprehensive cleaning kit tackles even the toughest cleaning jobs with ease. It's perfect for keeping your bottles, straws, and more sparkling clean. Its extra long design and wide bristles reach every corner of narrow-necked bottles. Say goodbye to stubborn residue in wine bottles, sports bottles, and more. This brush is ideal for standard and wide neck bottles, ensuring a thorough clean every time. It's perfect for everything from thermoses to baby bottles. Clean hard-to-reach areas like teapots, kettles, and reusable straws effortlessly. These brushes are designed for a perfect clean. The detail brush cleans hard-to-reach crevices on bottle caps and lids. Plus, a convenient hook makes storage and drying a breeze. Made with food-grade bristles and stainless steel, it's BPA-free and non-toxic, ensuring safe and healthy cleaning. The comfortable grip makes cleaning quick and easy. What we like? This set includes an extra-long brush with wide bristles, perfect for reaching the bottom of narrow-necked bottles. Made with food-grade materials, it's safe for all your cleaning needs. The convenient hook makes storage a snap. If you need a brush that can easily clean the deepest parts of your bottles, this is the one for you. Number 1. Bottle Brush Long Handle Cleaner. It's perfect for cleaning various bottles, from baby bottles to wine bottles. Its 17-inch long handle makes cleaning even the narrowest necks easy. The curved end easily reaches every corner and side of your bottles. An extra brush at the tip ensures the bottom is thoroughly cleaned. Its firm, sturdy handle makes cleaning a breeze. Plus, a handy hook allows for easy storage and drying. Made with 100% boar bristles and food-grade polypropylene, it's BPA-free and safe for your family. Enjoy its long-lasting quality and durability. Its stiff bristles effortlessly remove stubborn stains, making cleaning coffee cups, tea stains, or kettle water stains a simple task. Cleaning has never been easier. What we like? This brush features an extra long handle and a curved end to clean every inch of your bottles. The boar bristles are tough on stains but gentle on delicate surfaces. The sturdy handle makes cleaning effortless. If you are looking for a brush that can easily clean hard-to-reach areas of your bottles, this is the one for you. What people say. The bottle brush with bendable long handle has been an incredibly practical and efficient addition to my cleaning arsenal. This brush is designed with convenience and functionality in mind, making it perfect for cleaning neck bottles, baby bottles, and other hard-to-reach containers. The standout feature is the bendable handle. It allows for flexible maneuvering, ensuring that I can reach every corner and crevice of the bottles without any hassle. This brush can be bent so that it gets into those handles and cleans them. It's long enough to reach all of the inside of my pitchers. Perfect for cleaning bottles and large water bottles, stainless steel shaft guarantees long use and 2 different brush types make cleaning tight recesses easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.